yeah. Mhm.
And then, go back po sa cycling naman ngayon. Like, paano na po, like, naging continuous yung appearance ninyo or alam niyo po yun, yung pag-join po ninyo ng cycling kasi for 14 years.
Yeah,
That's
doing it.
amazing
Yeah,
po.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because I developed already, and then I feel already that this is the time that I need to do what I want, right?
Yeah.
So I started hiking, nagra-run ng konti, and then sabi ko kasi nag-walk ako ng 60 kilometers for 5 years. So, and then my parents died in cancer, so I need to do something giving back to community, and I want to be healthy too.
So yun po, sa tingin niyo po, yun po yung motivation niyo at
Yeah.
saka why you're doing it.
Yeah, it's because I don't want
Galing.
people feel what I feel when my parents is dying na wala tayong magawa. Because here we have a cancer foundation that they will have. We have a
Okay.
community that they will help
Yeah.
because they building a different kind of Alberta foundation for cancer.
Yes po.
So that's why I'm very active for this because everybody has magkakaroon ng cancer. I know everybody has meron naman tayo talagang cancer.
May cancer cells, yes. May activation lang talaga.
Oh yeah. So and then one thing I want to make it sure na somebody will ride when I have a cancer.
Oh, someone will show up for me.
Yeah, because I'm showing up to them.
Grabe.
So I want
So,
to
ano tindi po nung why nyo na yun, ha?
yeah. Gusto kong somebody will do that for me too when it comes na
Just in
ma-diagnose ako.
case.
Yeah, just in case. Yeah.
Kasi you mentioned nga po na both of your parents died too with cancer. That's why parang naging advocate nyo na din yun na if we can prevent it, at least do something about it.
Yeah.
Diba po?
Yeah. You do something about it. Yeah. We cannot prevent it, but at least gradually
Yeah.
you're preventing something
Yeah.
inside, right? Yeah.
And sabi nyo nga po, you wanted to help the community
Yes,
as
I want
well.
to, because Canada has been good to me, Alberta.
Yeah.
So I want to giving back what I have now to them.
Totoo po, no?
Yeah.
Kasi like, totoo po, mahirap talaga sa umpisa pag nag-uumpisa ka dito sa Canada.
Napakahirap.
Yeah. Like, may mga fortunate po siguro na sobrang ganda na po agad ng ng karera nila dito. Pero hindi po lahat ng kwento natin pare-parehas.
Yeah.
Pero honestly po, I adore you for being honest po na talagang yung experience po ninyo na mahirap po talaga.
Mahirap talaga kasi nga it's a struggles financially, emotionally, and you know, and then physically. Kasi you need, sabi ko sa'yo, as a single mom, talagang you pull off, you know, your